Good morning. Today we're gonna change the oil on my daughter's car. It's a 2013 Highlander. So it's pretty easy. I do it myself, so I know what I put in it. And first, let's open the hood. To know what kind of oil you use, just get your manual. And I know the V6 engine uses 6.4 quarts, and the viscosity, it's always right there in the filter. Or if you change your cap oil, go in your manual, it'll tell you it's 0W20, so that's full synthetic. Okay, and what I use is Walmart. They sell this 0W20. Walmart don't make oil. What I researched is an old company makes this oil, and this is for a high mileage, full synthetic, for 5 quarts. So this engine uses 6.4, and the last time I changed this, I still have that much. So first thing, and then the filter it used is it's not the cartridge. It's this type of filter. And one of the most important things is you have this type of kind of oil filter wrench, because they're pretty cheap. And make sure you get the metal one, not the plastic one, because the Toyota has a specific filter that they just have to replace this element inside. So those not canister anymore. Okay, we'll get our jack. Okay, make sure we're safe. Mount it here. I just use this. Mount. There we go. Let's bring it up. I'll put those chuck. I almost forgot those chuck. There we go. I think that's high enough. To be safe, always make sure you use jack stand. There we go. There we go. Okie doke. Now, let me go get my crawler. Okay, now that the car is up in the air, pull hold this stick and open the oil. Oh god, this thing is tight. There you go. Got some leaves here. So it'll be easy when we drain. It'll be easier for the oil to comes out. There you go. So that's what we need. 0W20, and we got 5 quarts, and for the 1.4. Now we have to crawl underneath. Okay. On this drainage, we need a 14 millimeter. Okay. Okay, hopefully I can get underneath. Drain, it's close. 14 millimeter, there we go. Let's go get our wrench. Lefty loosey. Some leverage. Sometimes when you don't have leverage, it's hard. There we go. Whew, that was tight. I think I put 45. Okay. Now we gotta get our oil pan ready. So let me move this. I don't want this to get splash on. That's okay. Let's use this. I kind of pinch here. There we go. Hopefully I won't make a mess. Okay. There we go. Let the oil comes out. See how dirty it is. After this, the filter. Alright, well, that thing's still draining right there. Let's already clean the plug. Okay, and make sure you put a new washer, and that's 14 millimeter. So you can buy this, they got different size. This is 14, so we'll get one of these. And just put it there, so when we tighten it, that will crush it and that will seal it. Get our torque wrench ready. Okay, and just clean this. Make sure don't have the old crush washer. Okay. Let's see. There we go. It's going around. Okay, now let's torque. I think the last time I torqued it too much. Okay, here we go. I think that's good. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now the oil filter's right here. You have to remove this cap first. The last time I torqued them, hopefully I had it right. Just get one of your extension and just put it there. And hopefully I torque this right. We want this cap first to be gone before the housing. Okay, there we go. It broke. Okay, we will see. There we go. I'll go get gloves so I won't get dirt in my hand. Okay. Make sure it's in our container. Okay, nothing's gonna come out, just a little bit. See, just a little bit. Just get yourself dirty. When the oil filter comes, you'll get a plastic thing. What you need to do is just shove it here, and that oil from your filter will come out. There we go. Just let that come out. While that thing is going, we're gonna replace that gasket here. Okay, let's clean it up. Okay. Won't be that long. There's the filter. Okay. Let's clean this. There's, it's easy. Just, there we go. Just remove that. And the new one comes, make sure they're the same size. Yep, well, we'll put this in the housing. Just clean this up really good. Okay. The new gasket will be in the housing. There's a new filter. Comes with a new gasket. One small, one big one. Make sure when you put it, you follow. If not, there's a direction right here in the box. Let me just... now we can remove this plastic. Just pull it out. There we go. So you just pull it out like that. That should be good. But you need this plastic. You could remove that housing, but it'll be a little bit of a mess, but you can do it. But here's the groove for that rubber gasket we have. Okay. Like I said, make sure you have this because there's some fins in here that will go in these grooves. So let's see. There they go, see? And then you put one of your extension socket. Okay. Let's put this here and then twist it. There we go. Last time I'm gonna put this, I torqued them. I'll show you where to find the specs for this to torque. Okay. Okay. Where's the drainage? So we don't have to make sure. Okay. Let's pull this so just in case there's oil flow. We'll go to this. There we go. A little bit. There we go. There is your filter. There's your filter. Just pull that. There we go. And just put it down here. We'll get it later. See, those are the groove you need to get into. Don't get any oil. After we clean, I just like to clean so it won't be oily here. Try to clean the housing. See, this is the housing. See where the rubber gasket? It's not way down, it's in that groove. That's where you need to put it. See? That's why these are delicate, they're aluminum. Don't pound them. Go get this tool. It's cheap. Now, let's remove the gasket. It's easy, see? Just like that. And then let's clean it up. And then to find the specs of your torque, they're right here. They're written here. There we go. So now we could just drop the filter. Well, it's the same one. There we go. Tight fit. There we go. Just drop it there. There we go. Now let's put the gasket. These are the old one, so we'll put them here so we don't mix them. Here's the new gasket. On the new one, this is the groove right here. Don't put it all the way down. There we go. Easy. Easy peasy. There we go. There's your groove. Okay. And then let's put this already. Smaller cap. You don't have to torque it now. Torque it later. The small one's right there. Just right there. Just push it. See? There we go. Then we'll put this. We'll torque it later. There we go. Let's put this one first. There's your, see your groove? See the grooves? That's where you need to put them. See? That's a sec. Yep, there we go. Now we gotta get the torque wrench. First, we'll do this by hand. Okay? So we don't cross thread it. And let's put this. There we go. Not this one. I need my torque wrench. Okay. There we go. There we go, that's it. And then now we have to torque this to 25. There we go. There we go. That's it. Now we could lower the car. Okay, doke. Let's get the jack stand first. There we go. There we go. Slowly, there we go. There's the puck. Well, that's just to protect the underneath. Get our funnel. Make sure there's nothing. See, make sure there's nothing in the funnel. Good. That thing's about to go, I guess. I hear it's a fluorescent. There we go. There's a baffle, so you might. This is a very thin oil. It should flow very fast. There we go. Just watch it. You have to put all these 5 quarts because this engine takes 6.4. You know, and that's 530. And this 0.20. There you go. We'll use this to put the old oil and then we'll recycle it. I'm gonna see. Oh, shit. There. Okay. We'll put 1.4 quarts. Let's be right there in the 2. 0W20. We'll check it again after we start it later. I just want a preliminary check. We always could add. Make sure it's not low. Yep, that's good. Look around. Nice and clean. Okay. Now put the cap back. Make sure you put it back. And that's it. That's how you change the oil on a 2013 Highlander. High mileage. This one has 170,000 miles. So I use the high mileage full synthetic. Now, so we can recycle the oil. Make sure you recycle your oil. There we go. Hopefully we won't make a mess. We'll see. And I know the copper thing is supposed to be here. Rag. That's a nice thing with the painted flooring. Easy to clean too. Okay, usually I'll clean this and blast this with the greaser, but I'll just skip it now because I might change my oil in my car next week. Keep it here. There's the copper that fell. We'll just throw this away. Thank you. Bye.